Discover the Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating oven. It's the fast and easy way to bake fresh or frozen pizza, thin or rising crust. Plus, it prepares convenience foods like frozen chicken wings, jalapeno poppers, fish fillets, egg rolls, and more. The Pizzazz Plus features a rotating tray that turns continuously for even baking. While ordinary ovens are heating, you're eating because there's no need to preheat. Simply set the timer and it begins to bake. The top and bottom heating elements bake food from both sides quickly and evenly. And because they're separately controlled, you can select the top, bottom, or both elements for perfect results every time. Use the bottom element to make a crispier crust or the top element for a bubblier topping. And with the open oven design, it's easy to see when the pizza is done just the way you like it. The timer signals when cooking time is complete and automatically turns the heating elements off. Then, simply take off the pizza, slice, and serve. With the non-stick baking pan removed, cleaning and storage is easy. The Pizzazz Plus doesn't heat up your kitchen and can save as much as 60% in energy compared to a conventional oven. When families are on the go, the Pizzazz Plus helps get meals and snacks on the table fast. Chicken nuggets, quesadillas, grilled sandwiches, and even cookies and cinnamon rolls. Delicious! The Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating oven. Get one today.